It was a good match. He played well. The tennis was fun. It was good level. It was some very good tennis, and he's playing really well. So it was a really fun match to play.
I mean, it was just I was up and down. First couple of games I was playing really well, and then concentration kind of left, and then started playing well again. But it's just a matter of maintaining that, intensity all the way.
Play Blaise.
Yes.
You're Davis Cup teammate.
Yes.
You travel, guide. There's no secret between you guys. Your thoughts on what really approached being that?
Yeah, I mean, Blaise is an amazing player. He's had an unbelievable season, and I'm proud of everything that he's done. So for me, it's an honor to play him. We play each other all the time in practice, so we'll take it to the match court now. We're hoping to put on a good match so that everyone gets to see some good tennis.